Hey everybody, welcome to another Vegas video. Today we're going to jump right into what you need to know before moving to Las Vegas. Make sure you have lots of savings. I'd recommend trying to get a budget of 3 to 6 months ahead of time before you move here. Add up all your bills, make an example budget. Your rent's going to be different depending on where you choose for an apartment and if it's a 1 or 2 or 3 bedroom. I recommend looking around on apartments.com. Car insurance averages $200 or more. I'd call your car insurance company, give them a zip code, and have them give you an estimate before you move here. Nevada Energy is probably going to be about $150 a month. Your cell phone, I'm just guessing, is $100 a month, could be more or less. Internet's at least $50 for the basic internet plan with Cox. Food, you're probably looking at $500. Gas is going to vary depending on how much you drive. Traffic's pretty light in Vegas unless you're driving towards the Strip, then it can be a little bit more heavy traffic. If you like to gamble, take into consideration when deciding to move to Las Vegas that slot machines are everywhere. They're in grocery stores, gas stations, local casinos. You probably don't have to drive more than 10 minutes in the city to find a slot machine. If you're addicted to gambling or someone in your family is, keep that in mind before deciding to move to Las Vegas. There's no last call in Las Vegas. There's lots of DUIs in Vegas. People are leaving casinos after drinking 24 hours a day. That's part of why your car insurance may be higher than wherever you're moving from. Find an apartment within your budget before moving to Las Vegas. If possible, make a separate trip to Las Vegas just to look for apartments. If your job wherever you live now has a location in Vegas, consider just transferring there so that way you have an income when you arrive in Las Vegas and you don't try and find a job once you get here. Lots of jobs may start at part-time and or minimum wage, so some people have to work 2 part-time jobs once they get to Las Vegas. Your work-life balance, even if you don't work on the Strip, other companies have different hours to support customers that work on the Strip. So for example, like on Monday, you might work 3:30 to midnight, be off on Tuesday, and then Wednesday back at 6 a.m. Your sleeping pattern could be kind of random, so if you like a regular sleeping pattern, this is something to keep in mind when considering to move to Las Vegas. Learn Spanish before you move to Las Vegas. Many jobs are going to require you to speak Spanish in order to be able to work there. You will need a car in Las Vegas. Uber prices are higher than they are in some cities. The buses are not convenient. You will need to get a car ready for the summer or it could break down in the spring from all that heat that's coming up. Most places are 30 minutes away anywhere in the city. Las Vegas is basically a big square box and it's pretty easy to get around. Not many one-way streets. Las Vegas has 24-hour access to restaurants late night, world-class dining. There are shows every day of the week, so if you want to go to a Cirque show or a music concert, there's one like almost every single day. Weather in Las Vegas. From April to October, it's over 100 degrees every day. June to July, it can be over 110 degrees. If you like the 4 seasons of the year, you might not enjoy living in Las Vegas. Vegas has shorter, mild winters, but it does snow in Vegas sometimes. December, January, and February are more like fall. And then right into March it jumps into spring, and then summertime is April to October. If you have any questions about moving to Las Vegas, drop them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We got lots more Vegas videos on the way.